Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FindGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you that how you can display product reviews in your Shopify store. So first of all, here you can see an apps option. I will click here and here I will search for like product reviews and press enter. It will take you to the Shopify app store, and here you can see that we have different apps available, and I'm going to use judge.me product reviews. They have absolutely free plan available, so I will click here, and next here you can see that this app have many reviews available by itself, and this is developed by judge.me. So I will click on this install button. By clicking on that button you will land on this page. So here you can see another option, install app. Just click on this button again. Okay, the app is installed successfully. Now you can see that it is displaying me this screen. Here we have to select our language, which is English, and here it is asking me that where would you like to install it, and I want to install it my current theme. So I will select here, and because Dawn is a Shopify official pre-built theme that is also currently available in my store, but I don't want to install this app on Dawn, so I will select my current theme and click on start setup button. So next you can see that it is displaying me this button to enable app embed. So I will click here. It will land me to another tab. So now you can see a notification here that just.me activated, and here we just have to click on this save button, and this step was required because here you can see app embed is required for reviews to show properly in later steps. So that's it, and next make sure to click on the save button, and here again I will click on next step. So the next step is just click on install review widget. So now you can see that it have land me on this page. Let me zoom out a little bit, and here under your product information you can see another option like apps. This is not under, but besides this, and when you will click on apps you can see that the review widget is available to us. So here you can see that we have added this review section successfully, and now what I will do, I will click on save button. You can do these steps later by just controlling the just.me app from here, but I think we should use this one. If you don't waste your time, just directly do the step that they are asking to you. Okay, we have saved this, and again click on next step, and here again I will click on install preview badge, and here again I will click on the save button. Let's move back to the previous tab, and from here I will again press the finish button. So that's it, friend. You can see that it is displaying me the dashboard to see the reviews request and total reviews. This type of stuff will be available to you, and you can see that how much customers are reviewing your products on your store. From here I will talk about this later, but first of all let me click on view your online store button so I can see that how reviews are looking. So I will click on this product detail page and scroll down. Here you can see that we have an option for customer reviews, because currently no one have give reviews, so there is no review available. But I will click on write a review, and here I will type like the product was very good, and here I can also write my review that product was awesome with leather wallet received as a gift. So here just I have write a demo review. You can also upload a product picture, this is optional, and I will also type here my email like fahimh127@gmail.com, and here it is asking me the name that will displayed on the website that this specific customer have write this review. So I will type here Muhammad Fahim Hassan. So that's it. Now I will click on submit review, and you can see that review is submitted. Let me refresh. So friends, you can see that currently it is displaying me that based on one review, and this product have one review available currently, and the person who was review name Muhammad Fahim Hassan, and this was a review title, and this was product was awesome with the leather wallet received, the review that we added. Now let's move on the dashboard, and again let me refresh my dashboard. In the home page of our this app dashboard, you can see that reviews collected 1. As the users will type reviews, you will see that data here, and here when I will click on manage reviews, so you can see that it is displaying me complete review information. You can also hide the review if you think that the review is misleading to customers, so you can also hide that review, and you can also share this review on social media, and also you can edit this review. So friends, obviously you can explore other options from here like widgets and marketing and social media, but this was the basic method that how you can add product reviews on your Shopify store. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.